Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do an unboxing of my recent purchases from DJI Fernteh here in New Zealand for my Osmo Pocket. The first one is the Osmo Pocket Spare Part 8, which is the 3.5mm adapter for Osmo Pocket. This costs $69. The 3.5mm adapter allows the user to plug in an external 3.5mm microphone into Osmo Pocket for higher quality sound recording. It comes in USB Type-C, which fits perfectly on your Osmo Pocket. So let's go start opening it so I can show you the exact look of this adapter. It comes in a Ziploc container, which I just need to open like so, and then I'll first get this one before the product itself. Just leave that there. The booklet, and it has product information inside, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna read this one, but I think it just comes in different languages, just like other instructional booklet. So I've got this one, the Osmo Pocket, so I'm gonna show you my one after this. So I think I'm happy with this one, and we'll proceed to this one. So this one is the exact product. So it's the 3.5mm adapter. Nothing's really fancy about this one. So it has DJI logo there, and that's about it. That's the whole. And that one, this side will connect to the Osmo Pocket, which I'm gonna show you later on. So this is my DJI Osmo Pocket, and I've been using this for years now, I think, and I still love it. It's very handy. It's a very small camera, and I really like using it because I can just put it in my bag and all that. So this is how it looks like, and this is where the adapter will go on that part, on that slot there. So this one will just have go there, and that's just about it. So I don't really need to open it now. So that's how it looks like. That's where I'm gonna put the microphone, because I've read a lot of reviews about Osmo Pocket, and there's like a lot of pro photographers and videographers who complains about the quality of the audio for the Osmo Pocket. So I thought, since we're going for a hike next week, I thought might as well buy a microphone that will lessen the sound of the wind, because it's going to be very windy on top of the mountain. So I think it's the best time to try that microphone I'm going to show you in a while. So that's the adapter right there, so it fits perfectly. The second one is the FM-15 flexi mic. It is a flexible stem compact microphone that plugs into the handle of DJI Osmo handheld gimbal. It provides a simple, unobtrusive way to capture audio accompanying your video. Let's proceed in opening this one. It's very easy. It's not actually sealed, so you can just open it directly. It's very light. I'm doubting now if there's something inside of it. We also have this quick start guide, which is maybe the same as the instructional book, but yeah, we've got this one as well. And this one is actually made for this Osmo gimbal, but since I've got the adapter, it will actually also fit on my Osmo Pocket. But this one is actually made for the Osmo handheld gimbal. But yeah, the microphone looks like this. Ooh, it's so cute, you guys. Just see how cute that is. And yes, this is the 3.5mm jack, so it will fit perfectly on our adapter, this one. So we can try that now. It fits perfectly. And this one is actually very flexible, and I'm not sure, I haven't tried this one yet because I just picked it up today, so I'm gonna try it maybe 2 days from now if it's gonna work. But it's very light, and I think it's gonna work really well. But yeah, let's see. Let's connect this to my Osmo Pocket. So that's how it's gonna look like. It's a little bit awkward because it's like at the bottom, but yeah, it makes my Osmo Pocket really long now. But this is how it looks like. Yeah, I think it's all good, and I'm gonna try it next week, and I'll show you guys if there is anything that I can say about it, like pros and cons about this. But yeah, so that's it for my unboxing today. That's the FM-15 flexi mic, that's from the DJI, and that's for your Osmo. But you can also use this for your Osmo Pocket. Just buy that other one that I just unboxed, this one, the 3.5mm adapter.